This is Followwish. For 30 years, we have specialized in automotive exterior parts manufacturing, serving overseas OEMs Tier 1 suppliers global brands. We provide integrated support from development and prototyping through to mass production. Our goal is simple: help our customers launch programs with stable quality, predictable schedules, and clear technical alignment. From passenger vehicles to commercial vehicles, we have built a comprehensive product portfolio and sample system. Every sample you see here is based on proven process solutions and mass production experience. This helps customers quickly evaluate application scope, appearance options, and process feasibility, and shortens early-stage technical discussions. In our showroom, you can directly review real outcomes across different vehicle types and styling solutions. We support build-to-print, build-to-sample, and co-development. For new programs, our typical prototyping lead time is about 45 days. We also provide a complete path from pilot runs to production ramp-up, helping projects move into serial production on schedule. As requirements change, we can align on surface texture, color, and assembly interfaces with clear documentation and sample confirmation. Stable delivery comes from controlled execution at every step, starting with raw materials and through machining, surface finishing, assembly, and final inspection. We organize production with standardized procedures and in-process control. Our workstation setup, fixtures and tooling, parameter management, and on-site visual records help ensure that key processes are documented, traceable, and reviewable. Our focus is not only on making parts, but on maintaining batch consistency, stable appearance, and reliable fit and assembly performance. Exterior components are highly sensitive to detail. That's why our quality management is built on relevant system standards, together with dimensional appearance, reliability, and environmental testing where applicable. We run a closed-loop process, covering first article approval, in-process inspection, and outgoing final inspection. Our objective is straightforward: to keep color, texture, gloss, and dimensions stable from batch to batch, and to address issues with timely root cause analysis and corrective actions. Beyond manufacturing, we also pay close attention. We can support customer-specific packaging, labeling, and traceability requirements, and work with you to confirm logistics plans for different regions and program stages. The aim is to reduce handling risk and ensure a smooth transition from trial orders to steady volume supply. Successful programs also require efficient engineering and quality collaboration. With our engineering and quality teams working together, we apply standardized project milestones and internal reviews across critical stages, including drawing-free sample approval and production launch. We maintain transparent communication so you can clearly see progress, open items, and key risk points, from samples to mass production, from process design to delivery. Followwish supports customers with discipline, manufacturing, and practical quality control. We welcome you to discuss your requirements or arrange an audit and sample development. We look forward to becoming your long-term, reliable partner for automotive exterior parts.